I have this fucking. There's a lizard, bro, in my fucking.
Oh, you're good. There's a what?
No, don't record that.
It's all melted on their shit.
Can't even see it in the camera. Oh yeah. Dang. No, it's just a vortex. Like, so the kit I'll put, this is only 2.5 inch, so it'll be 3 inch, but it'll have a whole new intercooler.
And what size throttle body do you get for these?
It's just a stock one.
What size is it? It looks really tiny.
I think it's like
780s?
78, I think.
Dang, dude.
Something like. What has
got
2?
Two of them.
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
It has 2 from the factory. But like this right here, that's the water box. That tiny little
you need
thing.
a bigger one?
Yeah. This is the little water box.
And where are you gonna put it, in the back or what?
No, so the kit I'm getting will be air to air. It'll get rid of that. Because so the water, there's an intercooler in here.
Oh, okay.
And then there's the one right there.
Yeah, I see this one.
So it's
right
got 2, but this, if you feel it.
Hey, it doesn't fuck you up if you don't have the grill? Holy fuck, that's
Yeah,
hot.
I told you it gets hot fast. That's why I tell people it legit has a heat soak problem. That's why I tell people you get one good pull.
How many, when you dynoed it, how many pulls did the guys do?
Like 4. It kept cutting boost. Because also this, I just don't even tell people about this anymore. This will cut boost, because feel it.
Oh shit.
So imagine when I floor it, it's a 50-50 if it wants to collapse.
Hey,
so it's supposed to be, it's on 6.
6 pounds?
It's supposed to be on 7, but when that collapses, it's on 6. I just say it's on 6.
How much is the max? Like 12, huh?
I think.
So you bought this kit and you haven't upgraded anything on it?
No. This is the stock kit.
Dang,
The car is basically stock Supercharger, just has exhaust. It still has stock headers.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So that's why I like it makes such low numbers. It's only 370 wheel. Ironically, it's 370 wheel, which is why I think people feel like, I get why people think I'm lying just because the number, but that's literally what it makes. So, but whenever I do the air-to-air and long tube headers and E85, I'm hoping like 500.
Yeah, that's what I'm aiming for. Headers, E85 too.
Yeah.
And fucking intake. And they say this thing fucking hauls when you put an E85 too.
Mm-hmm.
But shit, dude. I mean,
Yeah.
how long did you drive right now?
15 minutes. Just driving normal.
Yeah, I put it in fucking tour mode. I drove it regular here.
Yeah. It should pull all right because it did sit for like 2 hours, so it should pull all right. Because I didn't get on it, and the oil temp's fine. It's just the freaking water, dude. It's so stupid. I've been putting ice in there. I'll just put like ice cubes in there, but I don't want to make it like super cold because all that's so hot. So I'll just do it just to kind of like let it get warm. Yeah.
I thought you were like literally whippled. I didn't know you were supercharged.
No.
Yeah, so this thing sucks a bunch of fucking air now.
And then it'll collapse sometimes.
Hey, and it doesn't fuck you up if you don't have the front grill?
No. I've been fine so far.
Oh,
I did that before. I did that before I put the oil cooler on.
I see a bunch of them at intake. How many intakes you got? 2 of them? No?
There's 2, yeah. Yeah, those intakes suck. So.
What are they, the K&N?
Yeah, it's K&N.
Okay.
These brand new are like 8,000. It's ridiculous.
How much did you pay for this one?
47.
Oh.
Brand new.
Was that YouTube money or your money?
Both. And tax return. I'm still paying it off.
Oh, okay.
Just let me do payments. I only owe $700 on it.
Oh, not bad.
That's why I haven't done anything else to the car yet. Like the next thing I'll buy is, I want to put a Tomei exhaust on it. So, and then I'll buy the headers, but I can't put the headers on yet because I'll have to get it.
I wonder how they're gonna do this, dude. This thing is so fucking compacted together.
I'm gonna film it. The last thing that's going on is the trans cooler. It's already mounted. I just gotta hook up the lines because it needs an adapter to fit. Because that'll get hot too. I can feel it. But that's after like 5 pulls, and I don't do it that much. I do like 2 pulls or 3 the most, and I'm done. You ready?
I'm following you.
All right. Oh, my adrenaline's already going. What's up, bro? Well, whenever you were at 40, I was at like 45, so our speedometers are just a little off. Oh, okay. What speed were you at? When you were matching my speed, what speed were you at? Oh, okay. Well, do you want to try that same roll, but will you be able to be in a better gear, or is it just too low? Oh, okay. Well, you'll get me on this one anyway.
See if we can. I'm gonna try to stay like at 38, 39 miles an hour, and let's see where we're at.
All right. I told you you'd be freaking close.
That shit's loud, bro.
That is exactly what I thought was gonna
You see what I mean on the second run, how it didn't pull as
Yeah.
hard? Whenever you were like half a car in front of me, like trying to line up, I was already at 40. That's what I'm saying, our speedometers are just because the wheels.
That's where I was at 40. Now, dude, this thing, 40 or 45 is what you want. I mean,
Yeah, that last one we were at like 45.
Yeah,
For me, it was 45.
No, I was like fucking barely 40. It was okay. Dang, dude, this is exactly what I expected. The first one is what I expected to happen, because you know you have a blower.
Yeah.
And obviously top end. And the second one, well, I was like, let's see if it
Yeah.
did fucking do something.
I wish we could have. I wish we had more road. I couldn't tell the outcome. They just stayed locked.
Oh yeah, we just stayed.
Probably when I hit 5th gear, usually that's when people pull on me.
What?
Yeah.
Damn.
Well, it's a 7-speed.
Oh,
But it doesn't, I mean, it's a 3.7 still.
Do you shift it or?
Yeah, I shifted.
Okay, yeah.
The first one I redlined a little bit.
Oh yeah. You can hear it that time.
Yeah.
No, but yeah, I drive it like that too. I don't like to put
Well,
that.
you were my
No.
closest race yet, so I'm talking like closest race. I've never been dead even with someone. It's either been I beat them or they kind of walk by me. So those things are fast. That's stupid. And I'm curious how a 10-speed will go.
Oh no, I raced one with the.
You beat
intake and
10
a tune.
speeds?
I mean, yeah, I beat stock ones. It's
What
weird.
the
Like
heck?
this thing is a factory freak. But I raced one with the colder intake and a tune, and like at 100, he just started walking in.
The 10-speed?
Yeah, but they can't do our rolls. I'm pretty sure we have more top end. That's why. Cause you know how they have 10 gears and they just can't do 40. The guy wanted like 25 rolls.
It just depends on the roll. Well, her 10 speeds, their best roll is 40 roll. I don't know. I'll have to. I know someone. I know somebody for stock one, and I'll race them, and then I'll compare and see how it is. But you might have a factory freak. This thing was a factory freak when it was NA. 3-inch intake, exhaust, tune on 93.
And how much horsepower?
It was 330, and I was making more than full bolt-on 85Zs.
Oh shit.
So when this, I know what you mean, because I believe in factory freaks. So I've seen a Corvette that's a factory freak, and then this thing was a factory freak because I kept beating stuff.
I eat C7s that are stuck. It's fucking
Yeah.
weird. I
No.
mean, Stingrays, not Z06 is how it's named.
Because they said ZL1s and 6 gens are like neck and neck, but you just destroyed them. So that's why I'm like, something's up.
I wish I had. I mean, I'm
No.
already ordering shit, but
Yeah. No, I seriously believe in factory freaks because, like I said, this thing, when it was NA, it was a factory freak. I pissed so many people off with this thing.
I know, I fucking see that, dude. That's
So,
funny.
because a lot of people didn't, when I posted it, people were like, oh, no way a Z can beat a Mustang or this and that. And I'm like, I don't know. I got lucky. There's no such thing as factory freaks. They're out there. The people that say that just haven't came across one. They're out there.
Hey, bro. Well, That shit was fucking badass.
That was fun. I haven't had a dead even race. I was like this the entire time. Just,
Yeah, me too. I was like,
well, I always try to keep my head still for the camera because I notice I always like keep looking, and I'm like, it ruins the video. So, but yeah, it was good.
and you're not like in any sort of crew or anything like that?
Huh?
You're
No.
not like in a crew, you're just your own thing? Like
No, I have so many people that hate me because I beat so many people.
with the 370.
Yeah, I mean, now imagine how mad they were when it was NA.
Hey, and that black Mustang that just beat you by a little bit, what did he have?
He was full bolt on 85.
Headers and everything?
Yeah, he beat me when I was heat soaked.
But it's because people, when they
People
beat
don't
you,
like to lose. I don't care about losing.
Yeah, when
I'm
they
just
beat you, it's like the guy's gonna have excuses, and you
Yeah.
beat them, and they have excuses too.
no. That's why I tell people. I'm like, hey, it's gonna do good one time, and then the second one it won't be as good. And people don't want to believe that. But
Dude,
no.
what sucks is that my car is really quiet, but good thing your car is loud because the race is gonna sound cool. When they're quiet, it's just out fucking gay. They're just going fast.
So you said you saw the first race?
Yeah, when he was like basically pulling like little by little.
That shit's hot or what?
Yeah, feel it.
Damn,
Feel the intake.
that shit's hot.
Yeah, it is hot. My intake temps are just.
You say this shit fucking shoots flames?
Yeah, I'll do
Probably-
it. I'll do it for you when we leave.
Yeah, I was
this
like,
is-
yeah, I would have been cool with that.
If
This
you would
is,
have raced and throw plays it.
this is when I wasn't
In a
heat
row
soaked.
versus a fucking Mustang. 5-0?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'll
that
probably
shit
eat
was
that, dude.
loud.
that's crazy though.
When
That's
I was
what
trying to
everyone
count,
says.
I had to yell louder because that shit was.
Oh, it's gonna be louder because I'll have headers and a tow may.
Damn.
So no, I just don't race with the flame map just because it just loses power. Well, it's not as fast.
Yeah.
So I used to do it all the time when it was NA.
This is the first kind of car like this I've seen, like with all that shit on.
I know, I mean, I've
Oh,
never
yeah.
seen anybody actually.
I would expect like twin turbos or some shit.
Oh no, that's way too expensive. Hopefully have it done by the end of the year. So
Yeah, me too. I want to have it by the end of the month already. Running faster. I mean, I went to the track and I ran at 12.1.
I'm curious what this will run. I ran 12.5 when I was NA.
Oh shit.
And I was on street tires.
No, I ran it with fucking radials.
Dang, I need some radials. I want to do 20 rolls.
Hey, yeah.
That's
whenever
this
I
car's
bring
best
some-
rolls of 20.
Hey, whenever I bring some, and if you have some, we should do a low roll.
Yeah, that's what I want is a 20. I haven't been able to do a 20 with anybody just because it spins its butt
Hey,
off.
oh, I was telling you, bro. This thing, sometimes it doesn't let me downshift. It's like shift deny, shift deny. All right, bro. Well, if you can, just send me those videos.
Yeah, I'll send them to you later tonight. I'm gonna go this way out. If you want to follow, I'll do a little flame.
Nice
The
meeting you,
same
bro.
way. Oh, nice meeting you too, man.
Okay, bro.